what makes this so difficult. We talked about a little bit of it already. We talked about the ethics of it. We talked about the quality of it, the how much data, the optimization of it. But even apart from those things, it's a great analogy, right? Data flows like a river through any organization. So to me, that's saying data follows processes, but somebody designed that process. So how is it that we lose sight of that? Because a process is a process, right? It's documented. So why is data an issue?
To me, it's kind of like complexity. Like it's just yes, like so it's saying like it hits so many points of the organization. Like you're dealing with not only like quantities of data, but the complexity and like how you actually use the data in each point. And like yes, there's processes, but like how many processes are you going to need to actually say like the marketing team use this data, but then the other like the accounting team has to use the data. Like you know what I mean? Like that's kind of how I see it.
Yeah, I agree to it. That's a very good point, Madhuri. And I would like to add on to that, not only the complexity of the data, at times organizations think that they know where the data is, but they are unable to capture the data. The capture the data to capture the data, it might be from POS or it might be from any data. Capture the relevant data when I say even more specific data, so that there is no.
Yeah, so it's like unstructured versus structured data and how that picture comes into play, right? What do you need to pay attention to versus what to leave?
And also that's one of the reason, because data wrangling becomes an issue, because they don't know how to wrangle it, and they mess up with the whole data. I hope it makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah. Any other thoughts on that? That's a very important point, right?
Is